Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number 7181 TK1-29. This is a mortise cylinder with a thumb turn. So let's dissect the part number. 7181, first of all, means that it's going to be an 1.1 length mortise cylinder. From the underside of the head to the back of the cylinder with the cam is 1.1. And that's how mortise cylinders are defined in terms of length. Underside of the head to the back of the cam. That's 7181. TK, that means thumb turn. Not that that's logical, but that's what the TK means. You're getting a thumb turn. The 1 after that means you're getting a standard cam. Okay, be mindful of the fact that that may or may not be what you need. You might need a different cam, like the TK2 could be very common and probably is more common because that will give you the Adams Rite style cam that you would use on aluminum storefront. Meaning, where you're probably going to use this on the interior of a black anodized aluminum storefront where you need a thumb turn to lock and unlock the door. The TK, and then a 2 cam, which would be Adams Rite, would probably be a very common way to go. So keep in mind, when you order a 1 in the part number, you'll get a standard cam on a mortise cylinder. The -29 is a reference to the black finish, and that's exactly what we're showing here. Black finish. Now, variations on this. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. On that page, you can pull up the full line catalog and look for a catalog that has the words brass cylinder in it. You'll discover that you can order mortise cylinders, and specifically thumb turn cylinders, in the standard or the ADA, a much larger thumb turn, ADA compliant turn, in a variety of different lengths, in a variety of different cam configurations, and in a variety of different finishes. Let's just say 4 different lengths, 10 different finishes, 15 different cam possibilities. Okay, very typical. Now, where would you use this? This cylinder? A standard cam would work on old mortise locks. Mortise locks that were from the 1930s and 40s and 50s. They very commonly will have a standard cam like this. You could also be installing this just simply into some sort of a key switch where you need to be able to power and then unpower a circuit to something by using a key switch, but you don't need actual key security. You can do it with a thumb turn. You might find an application where a thumb turn is perfectly acceptable for what you're doing. You also might again just see this in that aluminum storefront as mentioned earlier. So the link to the product catalog, the brass cylinder catalog that's there, will allow you to see all of the different possibilities. But in general, on a thumb turn, you're going to have 1 inch, 1.1 inch, 1.25, standard or ADA compliant. The brass, the chrome, the black, the bronze colors. A 1 for a standard cam, or a 2 more commonly for an Adams Rite cam is what you'd have there. Finally, that link to the manufacturer's page will also allow you to review all of the products from Kaba Ilco that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to all of the full line product catalogs. And the ones that I would draw your attention would be obviously back to the brass cylinder catalog, but also the key blank catalog that Kaba Ilco publishes is there as well, along with a aluminum storefront door hardware catalog, a relatively new line of hardware from Kaba Ilco. If you have any questions on the Kaba Ilco 7181 TK1-29 thumb turn mortise cylinder 1.1 in black, or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.